Hi everyone. Today I am going to tell you a very short story on Lord Hanuman and Shanidev. You know, all of you are well aware of Shani Drishti. Whoever it may be, no one can be exempted if Shani Drishti will fall upon them, whoever it may be. So, how it is so effective, that example I am going to give you, and how Hanumanji is very powerful on that sense. You know, uh, Ravana was a great Rakshasa, and a very mighty, powerful Rakshasa. He owned over the Devas, and when he expected that his son Meghanath was going to burn, not to be born that time, he immediately, as a great astrologer, he just collected all the 9 planets and put them in one place, because he knew what would happen and whose position will give the bad or good effect to his son's horoscope. So he thought that better I should keep all these 9 planets so that no bad effect will be there on my son. And my son will become invincible and he will get immortality. Thus he captured all the 9 planets and put them in one place. Now all the devas were very much worried that the 9 grahas, means planets, they are not working because they are captured by Ravana. Now they tried their best to do something, but they couldn't do anything. So ultimately they went to Naradji, then asked his help. Naradji thought for a while. He, very well how Naradji was a cunning fellow. So he came to Ravana. When Ravana saw Naradji, immediately he paid his respect. In that sense, he was a very good person. He was a great person in that sense. So immediately he paid his respect, and Naradji started saying his glory again and again. So Ravana became very happy. Now Naradji said, "Oh, Ravana, the way you have kept all the 9 planets that they put their head under their feet looking at the ground is not a proper insult. You know what? You should turn them and put your feet on their chest. That is the proper insult to the enemies. Do that." When he advised like this, at that time Ravana couldn't think what is the intention of Naradji. He agreed, and immediately he turned all the 9 planets so that their head turned up. So the moment he did it, Sunny glanced at Ravana, and now the bad phase, the destruction of his luck began from that day onwards. Ravana got very angry that Sunny looked at him. I told you he was a great astrologer. He knew very well what is the effect of Shani Drishti. So as he was annoyed, he took Shanidev and put him in a cage, and the cage had no openings. Shanidev started crying, but Ravana didn't listen anything, and ultimately what happened, when Hanumanji went in search of Sita to Lanka, that time, he set fire to the whole Lanka. While he was roaming around in Lanka, that time he heard in the Ravana's palace, that time he heard a crying voice. So immediately he followed that voice and saw that Shanidev was inside a cage. Shanidev requested Hanumanji to make him free, and Hanuman did that. He became very happy and said, "Oh Hanuman, at least I am very much pleased with you, but as you know, as I looked at you, some effect will be there. Now tell me, what should I do?" Now Hanumanji said, "Well, if you have if I will have that, Then tell me what is that? Then Shanidev said, कि you will lose your wife, your son, your family like this. Then Hanumanji said, don't worry for that. I don't have any family except my parents. And I'm not married. When he said this, then Shanidev said, कि oh Hanumanji, I will stay on your head for few days and afterwards I will get down. I have to. Then he stayed on the head of Hanumanji. And whenever Hanuman was fighting with his enemies, he tried to strike them with his head. And Shanidev was very much, he got too much pain out of that. So ultimately he got down from Hanuman's head. Then he said, oh Hanuman, you are the first one who is exempted from my Shani Drishti, means bad effect, and I am very much pleased with you. Just tell me what I can do for you. I will give you a boon. Then Hanumanji said, Lord, oh Shanidev, if you are pleased, then do one thing, that you will never give any Shani Drishti to my, man, there will be no effect of your Shani Drishti to my devotees. Those who are worshipping me, at least they will never suffer your Shani Drishti. Then Shanidev granted him this boon and said, कि oh Hanuman, if anyone during the Shani Dasha will worship you, they may suffer, but it will be very less, and maybe they will be free from any type of danger. Thus Shanidev blessed Hanumanji, granted that boon and went away. Now you know, not only Hanumanji, even King Vikramaditya, Lord Ganesha, Lord Mahadev, and so many, even Lord Ramachandra, so many had suffered because of this Shani Drishti. Poor fellow, what he could do? It was his, this was his quality. He couldn't help it. Anyway, you know, later I will tell you all those stories, and I will go back to Mahabharata once again to tell you some beautiful stories from that Mahabharata. Well, if you have time, please visit my site, thegalpa.com. Thank you so much.